The CTEK MXS 5.0 Battery Care Kit. This kit has everything you need to care for your vehicle batteries, from cars to motorcycles, lawnmowers, and more. The CTEK MXS 5.0 battery charger offers a unique 8-step approach to battery care and has a built-in temperature sensor. It's the fastest, most effective, and versatile consumer charger CTEK has ever made. The Comfort Connect clamp connects easily and securely to your CTEK MXS 5.0 charger for safe and easy charging. The CTEK Bumper fits snugly on your CTEK charger and protects your vehicle while you charge. The indicator eyelet is a practical combination of quick connector and indicator for those batteries that are difficult to access. The indicator shows the battery's charge level simply and clearly. As an extra bonus, charge your phone, tablet, or other USB devices with the CTEK 5000 mAh power bank. Thank you for choosing CTEK for your battery charging and maintaining needs.